What's up, NASDAQ Nation? Straight off the DJI Pocket 2 camera, let's get it. Alright. Yo, what's up, NASDAQ Nation, man? It's gonna be a short little video, man. I'm gonna tell you. Yeah, that's better. And today I'm telling you why I take 3 positions, man. Let's get it. Alright. But before we get into it, man, I just gotta say, you guys need to tap into Rajah Banks. He is the GOAT of trading, bro. Literally, and you can learn so much from this stuff. It is insane. And it's like an hour long, bro. So you're on the mower, you can listen to it. You at the gym, you can listen to one. And it's just, there's so much knowledge in just listening to a profitable business trader, whatever. So yeah, so let's get into it, man. Alright, so on my MT5 account, man, I've got this little lot size calculator type thing, and that helps me out a lot. You can tell from my previous videos, but let me go ahead and show you guys why I take 3 positions. And some people don't really understand, but I'm gonna try to make it very simple. Okay, so right here, so this is how I execute my trades, man. I see a certain point in price, and I'll be watching and watching and watching. This is what you call a liquidity swing. Whenever price goes down and comes back up to a certain point, and that's where I draw a trend line, because that's where I like to execute. Now, this is where you got to listen to the candles, man. So price right here is saying, all right, I want to push up, and then bam, you get hit with a rejection, and then another candle with a top wick saying that one wants to go down. I see with the next candle, bam, big candle right there. So that's where I will take my trade, right? Short position, bam, there's one. Short position, bam, there's 2. All right. So this is how my first position would go. My first 2 are exactly the same, and this is how my third position would be. So usually I like to target from anywhere from like 10, 15 to 20 pips. Y'all guys go and watch that Rajah Banks, and you'll know why. He is so simple. Like, he makes it so simple, and probability and statistics and all that stuff. So I would have gotten in right there. That's where I would have entered. And I'm trying to catch 20. So this is just an example. And then I would have my runner. So that's what my third position is. So, and if you have a runner position, you guys are going to see crazy pips being caught, because this is what happens. So once your 2 positions of 20 pips, points, whatever, have been executed, this third position is going to be like this until it gets hit. So let's say you're watching, bam, gets hit right there. I will close my position. These 2 would hit 20 right here. My third position, I'm dragging it down to maybe like 40 pips, right? And I would have gotten stopped out right here. Or I could have gotten out somewhere like right here. So I would have secured 61 to 50, so like 11. So this runner position right here makes it easier, makes it possible for you to catch as much as you can. So let me pull up another example of me winning. So that was an example of me losing one, but this is why it's effective. So probably like right there. That's where I would have gotten in, because I would have waited for a swing somewhere like right here, and it tapped it, and you see 2 of these candles with a top wick saying that price wants to go down, continue the downtrend. All right, so bam, there's position 1. Bam, there's position 2. Stop loss would have been probably right there at the previous candle. Again, my guy Rajah Banks, man, tells you, dude, he's so good. Anyways, so there's my 2. Let me get my take profit to 20. So like right there and right there. If those don't know what I mean by 20, this target right here says 2.03, and you shave off the last number, and that's 20. Alright, so I would have won my 2 positions of targeting 20 pips. And then you have your runner right here. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. So that's this right here. That would have been my first 2, and this is my third. So now, once this hits for 20 pips, I'm going to close my take profit, or my stop loss. It's a risk-free trade, and I'm dragging this down to like 40 or 50. I'm gonna keep this down until I want to get out. So this is where it comes into play. So it hits 20, keeps on running. So you're watching these charts, wham, wham, wham. You're like, all right, so I'm already at 40, 48, right? And then you say, well, it's supporting, or it's creating a little resistance zone right here, which is this line. And I think it's gonna go down more. So you see this candle right here, you're basically just trailing going downwards to see, like, to maximize the most that you can win. So it goes down. All right, so I'm gonna keep on lowering this, and then so right there you're like, all right, it got rejected again, let me put it down even lower. And after this candle of 48 pips, you can tell right there on trading view, so it's 4.85, you shave the last one, that's 48 pips. And you say, okay, I've now caught 94 pips on this running position that doesn't really have a take profit, right? And so, bam, you would get out after this, and that's how you can go from having your 2 solid ones of 20 and then maximizing the most you can win off of a risk-free trade because you close your stop loss. So yeah, that's something that I've been working on, that's been helping me catch more and maximizing my wins. And depending on how you trade, like if you're wanting to target 20 a day or 10 a day or something, and you keep a runner and you catch 50, bro, you can be done for the week. So yeah, that's just like a little tip that I learned. It's like having an imaginary take profit and then maximizing the most that you can win off of that move. So yeah, this is just want to make a short little video and give you guys an update of how I've been bettering myself in my trading strategy. So yeah, man, we got more videos coming on the way. Peace.